Coordinating your product, design, and marketing teams can seem like a tough challenge, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick tutorial, we'll break down how to streamline communication, align goals, and make sure all three teams work together effectively to get results. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a tool that I personally use to make this coordination seamless. To start, one of the biggest challenges in coordinating these teams is aligning their goals. You need to make sure everyone understands the bigger picture and the product's goals, design direction, and marketing strategies are all in sync. This means clear and consistent communication starting from day one of your project. The best way to do this is by scheduling regular meetings, whether that's a weekly sync up or a daily check-in, depending on your timeline. These meetings should cover progress, roadblocks, and goals for the next phase. Next up, use shared tools for collaboration. A big mistake teams often make is working in silos, using separate platforms or software that don't integrate well. This leads to information gaps and confusion down the line. The software we'll be using in this tutorial bridges that gap and ensures everyone's on the same page. It keeps your teams connected and updated in real time, making it easy to track progress and share important resources. You can grab an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below if you want to follow along. Another essential tip is to set clear roles and responsibilities. You don't want design and product teams stepping on each other's toes, or worse, marketing pushing out messaging that doesn't reflect the product. A project manager or lead coordinator can help guide this process. They should be the person keeping track of timelines, ensuring everyone is focused on the right priorities and making sure things stay on track. Assigning a project manager or lead to facilitate coordination is a must for efficiency. Don't forget about feedback loops. Make sure there's a structured way for design and product teams to share feedback with marketing and vice versa. This allows everyone to stay on top of changes, learn from mistakes, and make adjustments as needed. The software we're using in this video will help streamline these feedback loops too. This isn't just about making sure everyone's happy, it's about making sure that the final product is something everyone agrees on and that will ultimately satisfy the customer. Also, consider a shared vision. Getting your product, design, and marketing teams to really understand what success looks like for the project is key. This vision should be communicated early on, and everyone should be clear about the project's goals, target audience, and success metrics. With a shared vision, it's easier to make decisions that are in line with the overall strategy. Now let's quickly review the key takeaways. First, align goals early through regular meetings and clear communication. Second, use shared tools that integrate seamlessly and keep everyone updated. Third, set clear roles and responsibilities to avoid confusion. Fourth, establish feedback loops for continuous improvement. Finally, ensure everyone is on the same page with a shared vision for success. And don't forget, you can take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this video by checking the description below. This will help you implement these strategies with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more quick tips like this one.